It's late summer and we are 16 weeks to the day into our experiment here with 5 different kinds of mulches. We have a few more results that we can tell. The flowers have done amazingly well. The zinnias and the sunflowers, we have been picking them, taking them home, enjoying them indoors now for several weeks. Our vegetables struggled because they were planted in extremely wet conditions, but our watermelons are doing really well. We have several large watermelons that we're just waiting to ripen up so we can pick them and take them home. We've had one so far. It was good to eat. As part of the experiment, we're keeping track of how much time we spend weeding each section of the garden. And so here are our results so far. This is after 16 weeks or 4 months. We got a couple of really low mulch sections with about a half hour over 4 months. That's pretty good. All the mulches have performed well. The control group, that's the section that has no mulch, 470 minutes or about 8 hours to weed that. And as you can see, we don't go in and weed right away. We kind of do it every couple weeks, we'll go weed. So the control group is due for another weeding. It'll probably take us an hour or two to weed that little bit. So, so far we're seeing some big differences when it comes to weeding, but we're seeing generally good performance out of all of the sections.